I am thrilled that Shine Armor sent me their leather cleaner and conditioner, as this is a fantastic product that I trust using on my car. In this video, I'm going to show it on my leather chair, and how you use it is really simple. You just want to clean up the most obvious dirt, and then you put some of this on a microfiber cloth, wipe down the leather, and then you'll want to wipe off any excess residue with a clean microfiber cloth. I didn't need too much, and it wiped everything beautifully, and it really didn't leave any obvious residue or smell. Just really, really clean, nice conditioning. Definitely got out some gunk that I didn't clean out to start, so that was really nice too. And then I wiped it down with a clean microfiber cloth, got off any little extra residue, and it was perfect. I could rub my hand across it and couldn't even tell that I'd cleaned it. Really, really nice quality product. Gives me UV ray protection and fantastic conditioning. This USA-based product is a winner.